Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin seems less radiant? Your eyes look tired, and your sleep is no longer as deep as it used to be? Even when you eat well and stay active, the body still changes quietly in ways we do not expect. The truth is, aging does not come only from the number of years we live, but from the small habits we repeat every single day. From the way we eat, sleep, breathe, think, and treat ourselves with love. Welcome back to SONG KHOE MOI NGAY. Today, we will explore 9 science-backed habits that help slow down aging. These habits may seem simple, but when practiced consistently, they can make the body feel younger, brighten the skin, sharpen the mind, and bring your rhythm of life back in tune with nature. Before we begin, feel free to leave a comment about the sign of aging you are most concerned about. Your sharing may inspire others on the same journey toward living younger each day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss helpful tips on healthy and beautiful living. Now, let us begin this journey, a gentle path to slow down, so the body and the mind can rejuvenate from deep within. Before diving into each habit, I hope you understand that aging is not something impossible to influence. Modern science shows that up to 80% of aging speed comes from lifestyle, and only 20% is genetic. Research from Harvard, the World Health Organization, and cellular biology studies reveal that when the body is cared for correctly, through sleep, nutrition, movement, breathing, and emotional balance, the aging process can slow dramatically, and some signs of aging can even be reversed. In Eastern medicine, there is also a deep emphasis on the harmony between body, mind, and energy. When the body is balanced, organs function smoothly, blood circulates well, toxins are cleared, and cells are nourished from the root. The skin glows, and the mind becomes clear. On the other hand, any disruption, from stress to poor sleep to irregular eating, silently accelerates aging from the inside out. What is remarkable is that age does not define biological age. Some people at 60 have the vitality of someone in their 40s, while others at 30 feel as fatigued as someone in their 50s. The difference lies in daily habits and how we nurture each cell, each breath, each moment of rest, and each choice we make. Understanding this helps us see that staying youthful is not magic. It is a graceful combination of modern science and ancient wisdom. Each small habit, when practiced consistently, becomes a building block for health, vitality, and clarity. And now, let us explore the 9 habits that help slow aging. Simple steps with the power to restore the body, helping you grow young from within and strong from cell to soul. First is quality sleep, the foundation of restoration and full body rejuvenation. Have you ever wondered why, even when you eat well and stay active, your skin still looks dull, your eyes feel tired, and your body lacks energy? The secret lies in your sleep. When we enter deep sleep, the body begins its full recovery process. The brain clears out neurological waste. The liver filters the blood. Cells repair DNA damage. And growth hormone, the key hormone that keeps the skin firm, muscles strong, and bones healthy, is produced at its highest level. The golden hours between 10 at night and 2 in the morning are truly the body's magic window. Unfortunately, many people miss this precious period. Staying up late, letting screens shine directly into the eyes, and keeping the mind busy all make the sleep shallow, preventing true restoration. A single night of poor sleep can make the body age several days faster, weakening both the immune and endocrine systems. On the other hand, when you sleep in sync with your circadian rhythm, go to bed before 11, get 7 to 8 hours of rest, avoid heavy meals and caffeine at night. The body resets itself every single night. The skin glows, the mind becomes sharper, energy rises, and cells rejuvenate from the inside out. But sleep is not just about hours, it is also about inner stillness. If you simply turn off your phone 30 minutes earlier, take a few deep breaths, and let go of the day's stress, You will feel your body lighter, your mind clearer, and your heart more peaceful the next morning. A proper night's sleep is not a luxury for busy people. It is the fuel that sustains life and youth from within. Anyone who understands this has already walked half the journey against aging. Keycap 2 Anti-Aging Nutrition. What to eat to stay youthful from within. Our body is like a sophisticated machine, and every part needs quality fuel to function and regenerate. Food is not just energy, it is medicine that nourishes each cell. Foods rich in antioxidants, leafy greens, colorful fruits, nuts, and omega-3 rich plant oils help block free radicals, the main cause of rapid aging, dull skin, and fatigue. You don't need strict dieting or expensive superfoods. What matters is choosing fresh, whole ingredients and eating them in balance. A morning bowl of oatmeal with chia seeds and fresh fruit. A lunch with grilled salmon and vegetables. And a light dinner of vegetable soup and tofu not only energize the body but also nourish the skin, hair, and heart. A simple but powerful tip is drinking enough water and adding herbal teas like green tea or chamomile. They help cleanse the body, relax the mind, and reduce stress, a major factor that speeds up aging. When you eat the right way, your body becomes stronger and your cells grow younger. From skin to bones, from hair to internal organs, everything is protected. Remember, nutrition is not just about filling your stomach, it is about feeding your youth every single day. With small changes in each meal and steady consistency over time, the body renews from the inside, the spirit lifts, and age becomes just a number. Stay hydrated. Dear friends, our bodies are more than 70% water, and every single cell needs water to function, exchange nutrients, and repair itself. When the body is dehydrated, the blood becomes thicker, metabolism slows, toxins linger longer, the skin turns dull, wrinkles deepen, collagen decreases, the joints ache, the muscles tire, and the mind becomes sluggish. A warm glass of water right after waking up not only awakens the whole body but also activates the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. It gently rinses the cells, flushing out some of the toxins left from the night, helping the body start the new day with clarity and energy. Adding a few drops of lemon or a pinch of natural sea salt can help balance electrolytes, improve water absorption, and support smoother metabolic function. Proper hydration is not only about drinking enough, but about nourishing the body in harmony with its natural rhythm. You can divide your water intake throughout the day, sipping slowly instead of drinking large amounts at once. A warm glass in the morning, a small cup mid-morning, a little before meals, and a gentle sip before bed will keep your cells hydrated, blood circulating well, organs working smoothly, and your skin looking fresh and radiant. When you maintain this habit consistently, it feels as if the body is being bathed from the inside out. From skin, hair, and joints to the heart and kidneys, every part is cared for. Life energy flows better, the mind feels lighter and clearer, and the whole body becomes more vibrant. This simple habit is incredibly powerful for rejuvenating the body, slowing aging, and maintaining long-lasting health. Keycap 4 Move every day. Dear friends, our bodies were created to move, and every step, every breath has the power to nourish us from within. When we move, circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach every cell, organs are renewed, and the muscles, bones, and joints become more flexible and resilient. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, qigong, or Tai Chi each day can activate important enzymes like AMPK and CRT1, the body's cell repair factories that reduce cellular damage, support DNA repair, boost energy production, and contribute to longevity. On the contrary, sitting too long leads to poor circulation, muscle loss, stiff joints, slower metabolism, and faster internal aging, often without us realizing it. Gentle, rhythmic movement, without overexertion, lubricates the joints, nourishes the tendons, strengthens immunity, and keeps the body agile and resilient. A flexible, supple body is not only a sign of health but also a reflection of a youthful mind and a positive spirit. When you move consistently, each cell awakens in harmony with nature's rhythm, helping you feel fresher, stronger, and full of vitality, the true essence of youthful living from the inside out. Keycap 5. Manage stress. Dear friends, when stress lingers for too long, it becomes one of the silent enemies that accelerate aging. When we feel anxious, angry, or live under constant pressure, the body releases cortisol, often called the aging hormone. High cortisol does not only thin the skin and break down collagen, causing wrinkles to appear early, but it also affects blood sugar, weakens immunity, strains the heart, and leaves the mind exhausted. Those who frequently lose sleep, overthink, or feel tense often notice their bodies aging faster than their actual age. The good news is that emotions can be trained and regulated. Just a few minutes each day of deep breathing, quiet meditation, slow walking in nature, listening to gentle music, or sharing laughter with loved ones can lower cortisol, stabilize the nervous system, and improve circulation. When the mind becomes calm, the cells receive a relaxation signal, activating self-repair and regeneration, improving the skin, internal organs, and overall vitality. A peaceful mind reflects beautifully on the body: brighter skin, a softer smile, lively eyes, and stronger health. Stress management is not just a life skill, it is a natural secret to staying youthful, helping you remain healthy and clear-minded every day. Keycap 6. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Dear friends, there is a truth many overlook. Cigarettes and alcohol are silent but extremely powerful accelerators of aging. Cigarettes contain thousands of harmful chemicals that seep into cells, destroy collagen and elastin, make the skin wrinkled, the hair dull, and weaken the heart and lungs over time. Alcohol, when consumed excessively, forces the liver to overwork, disrupts vitamin balance, and increases oxidative stress, making the body tired and age faster. I want to gently remind you that quitting smoking and reducing alcohol is not just changing a habit, it is giving your body a real chance to heal. When these cell assassins are removed, the organs can rest, free radicals decrease, and the cells rejuvenate from within. Those who do not smoke and drink only in moderation often see clearer skin, stronger agility, and sharper mental clarity. Sometimes, keeping the body youthful simply comes from small choices made every day. Yet they create a powerful transformation on the journey to longevity. When you care for yourself a little each day, the body responds with freshness and radiant energy. Keycap 7. Care for the skin from the inside and the outside. Dear friends, the skin is a mirror reflecting our health and lifestyle. When the body is nourished from within, staying hydrated, eating plenty of greens and fruits, sleeping well, the skin already has a solid foundation to thrive. But if we care only for the inside and neglect the outside, signs of aging still appear quickly. From the outside, be gentle with your skin. Wash with warm water. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Minimize squeezing pimples, and always apply a suitable moisturizer to maintain elasticity. One step that must never be skipped is sunscreen. Science has clearly shown that sunlight is the leading cause of premature aging, wrinkles, and pigmentation. Just 10 to 15 minutes of early morning sunlight is enough for vitamin D, but avoid harsh midday sun to protect skin cells. When you combine inner and outer care in a balanced way, the skin becomes smooth, firm, and radiantly youthful from deep within. This is the most natural form of beauty care, simple, consistent, and incredibly effective. With daily patience, your skin will tell the story of your health and vitality. Keycap 8. Learn and stimulate the brain. Dear friends, the brain needs training and nourishment just like the muscles. When we avoid letting the mind rest too much, and instead stay curious, learning and discovering new things, the brain remains flexible and resilient. Learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, reading books, solving puzzles, exchanging ideas, or exploring new knowledge are all wonderful ways to stimulate neural connections, the synapses, helping brain cells link more strongly and reducing the risk of age-related memory decline. Studies show that those who regularly engage in mental activities not only maintain sharper thinking and better memory, but also enjoy a more positive mood and greater vitality. Imagine this. Every time you learn something new, it is like watering a garden. With consistent care, the flowers bloom and the trees flourish. The brain is the same, clear, agile, and full of life. Importantly, stimulating the brain does not need to be stressful or demanding. Just a few minutes a day reading an article, listening to a new piece of music, or trying something you have never done before gives the brain a precious dose of mental nourishment, helping the mind feel brighter and making age seem to step back. Keycap 9. Maintain a healthy weight, slow aging with a strong body. Dear friends, weight is not just a number on a scale, it is a reflection of overall health. Being overweight or obese does not only make movement heavier, it also places significant strain on the heart, joints, liver, and immune system. In particular, visceral fat is not harmless. It releases inflammatory cytokines that silently trigger oxidation in the cells and gradually accelerate the aging process. On the other hand, when you maintain a healthy weight through balanced eating, regular movement, and sufficient sleep, the body balances hormones, reduces inflammation, and supports the health of the heart, bones, joints, and brain. A lighter and leaner body moves with ease and is one of the clearest signs that vitality is alive in every cell. Think of weight control as a tool to care for your body and preserve youthfulness. Maintaining a healthy weight is not about forcing yourself. It is about allowing both your body and your mind to feel lighter, healthier, and more refreshed each day. Dear friends, we have just explored 9 ways to nourish the body and stay youthful from within. Please share in the comments which of these habits you already practice, or which one you want to begin today. Your small sharing may inspire many others on their journey of healthy and youthful living. Age is just a number. Biological age is the energy your body radiates. When you sleep well, eat clean, stay hydrated, move daily, breathe deeply, keep a peaceful heart, and embrace yourself with love, every cell resets and the body naturally rejuvenates from within. Choose to slow down, breathe deeper, eat mindfully, sleep on time, and let your heart soften in the midst of a busy world. When you do, time becomes a gentle companion, walking with you gracefully and peacefully through the years. Wishing you health, peace, and a forever youthful spirit. See you again on the next journey with SONG KHOE MOI NGAY.